My wife likes me.
At the very least, the absolute minimum. Got a woman you love to grow old with.
Right.
I've been spending too much time away from home. I've been home for years. I've been home for years. I've been home for years. Del, what are you doing here? You said you were going home. What are you doing here?
I don't have a home. Marie's been dead for 8 years. You are one lucky guy, Neil. Look, I won't stay long or anything. Maybe I'll just come in and say hi, and then I'll be on my way, all right?
Just come on.
Del Griffith, I want you to meet my father-in-law, Walt. My mother-in-law, Peg.
Hi.
My mother, Joy. Well, my dad, Mark. Glad to see you. How you doing?
Welcome, Del.
Hey, guys, Neil Jr. Hello. This is my little Jim, Marty. And somewhere around here is my little baby boy, Seth.
Oh.
I'd like you to meet a friend of mine.